They say beauty is pain, but how much pain are we really talking about? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the Brazilian wax experience, what it really feels like, what no one tells you, and whether it's worth it. A Brazilian wax removes all or nearly all of the hair from the bikini area. That's front, back, and everything in between. It's one of the most popular waxing options out there, especially before beach season. But the big question remains, how painful is it really? Here's the honest truth. Yes, it hurts, but it's not unbearable. Most people describe the pain as a quick stinging snap that lasts only a few seconds per strip. The first time, definitely the worst, but over time, your body adjusts and the discomfort fades faster. The key is to relax. Tensing up actually makes the pain worse, and many salons offer numbing sprays or use gentle wax formulas for sensitive skin. We gathered real feedback from dozens of people who've gone through it. One person said, "It's not as bad as I thought, but the first strip made me jump." Another shared, "It's awkward, but the results are totally worth it." If you're thinking about getting a Brazilian wax, here's my honest take. It's not for everyone, but it's also not as scary as it sounds. The smooth, clean result lasts for weeks and many say it boosts their confidence, but make sure you go to a professional hygienic salon. That part is non-negotiable. Quick tips. Exfoliate the day before. Don't wax during your period. It can increase sensitivity. Wear loose clothing after your appointment and breathe. It really helps. Still curious or ready to book your first session? Either way, the Brazilian wax isn't as terrifying as it sounds, and it might just surprise you. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button and subscribe for more honest health and beauty breakdowns. Faceless but fearless.